Good job, Zach. We are at the airplane and we are boarding in the airplane right now. And we are taking the Emirates flight. Yeah, Zach, is it down here? Cheese. 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 Here, Heidi. Heidi here. Zidane and Heidi here. Cheese. Good job. Okay, so let's get on board. Go. Good job, Zach. We are boarding right now, guys.
Oh my god, wait, what?
Zach, you want to sit with mommy? Okay, keep going. Keep going, keep going.
What's the seat number, Mama?
Okay, wait, here's your... Okay, so this is the business class, guys, and it's pretty amazing. Look at this, it's so pretty. Okay, so Heidi, where would you like to sit?
I wanted to sit with Daddy.
With Daddy?
Can
What
I
about
sit with
Mommy?
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come, sit with Mommy. Sit with Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
I'm sitting with my...
Hi, Zach. What are you doing? Are you putting a movie?
No.
Kids movie?
No.
Okay. Are you want to hear a song? What are you trying to do, Zach? Tell Mommy.
Is this a snack? What is this?
Socks.
Okay, so let's see what's in your seat. What's in your seat? Show me. So look what's in Zach's seat. We have pop, water, sparkle water. And here is his menu. No, thank you.
It is full.
Show me what's under your seat. Earphones. You want to open them so you could hear the movie?
Yeah.
Awesome. Open it, open it. And what we have here?
Can I leave you a drink?
No, thank you. I'm good. Thank you. Would you like apple juice? Orange juice? He's good, thank you. Yes, orange juice? Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, let's taste Zach's orange juice. Is it yummy? Yeah, awesome. Right here. Should put it right here, okay? Awesome. So what else we have? So we have a blanket.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's nice.
I'm gonna open it.
You wanna open it? Awesome. Let's go see Zidane and Heidi. Okay, let's go see Zidane and Heidi. That's awesome. Where's Sally? Dima. Say hi. Okay, so Heidi. So Heidi, are you getting comfortable?
Yes.
Are you all cozy?
I can't reach the TV though.
What? That's
Look.
true. But you know what? You don't even have to reach. You could do it from here.
Oh wow, Mommy, look at this. They gave me like this kids thing. So I think this is like
That's nice. Look what
soap?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Lotion.
Lotion. What is that for?
This one is
Soap?
no wait. Perfume.
Perfume. Why would we need? Is this for kids?
Yeah. This is for kids and adults.
Chocolate?
No, this is also perfume. This is look. We have here
tissues. Perfect.
tissues.
For my
Ooh,
nose.
we have here a meter, so you
Oh,
could
wow.
put lipstick if you like.
Where is the
open
lipstick?
it, open it. And there's more lotion here. And
There-
look,
What is that?
for your hair.
There is no lipstick though.
There's no lipstick. You have to get your own lipstick. I have long nails, so I can't open it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take you in the back of the airplane. Heidi.
Hello, Daddy wants to go get me a lunch for one.
Olives.
Wait, tell Zach to sit down.
Sit down. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just
What are
want
you
to
eating?
my blanket.
Show me what you're eating. Show me what you're eating. That's awesome. Show me what you're eating, Zach. Awesome. Okay guys, so this is pretty cool. This is the back.
Is there seats there? You can squeeze in.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay, Zach, guys, so this is pretty cool. In the back of the airplane, they have like a little snack area. I'll show you everything in 1 minute. The view outside the window. We are up high. Okay guys, so this is the coolest thing ever. So they have some snacks here in the back. We have chicken sandwiches, which is I'm gonna take. We have fruits here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I should go back to my seat.
So guys, I got the camera out of my mom's hands and now I'm in charge of the vlog. And look at my seat. So right here I got a TV, super cool. I got this remote that controls the TV. And I got this little thing that controls the TV sound. There's some leg room. I can put my seat as a bed. From these. And look at the sprites, and I have a mini fridge right here. Super cool. And look how small this Pepsi is and the 7-Up. Arabic 7-Up. And I'm about to order my food on the menu. They just gave me it right now. And yeah, I'll show you guys my food. Just got my peanuts for a little appetizer. And I ordered from the menu. I ordered from the menu traditional Arabic meze for my appetizer. I ordered a pecan crust chicken for the main course. For dessert, I ordered a mango coconut bliss and chocolates, fine luxury chocolates. So, yeah, that's what I ordered, guys. And I'll see you guys. So, guys, I just received my lunch. This is like dinner. So I got the bread right here. I got hummus. And I got all types of Arabic stuff. And yeah, it's amazing.
Okay, so look what Zach got. Look at the kids' meal. This is amazing. What? Kit Kat? That's amazing. Show me how you eat your chicken nuggets. Show me the chicken nuggets. Is it yummy? Really? Enjoy that. Okay guys, so I just got my food and it looks pretty delicious. Okay, let me enjoy.
Yeah, I got my food. I got some fried avocado, some potatoes. I don't know what this is. These are the potatoes. These are, I think, the lemons. That's the chicken. And yeah, mashed potato. Can't wait to eat it. See you guys when I'm about to fall asleep. Okay guys, now it's time to sleep. And look at the stars on the ceiling of the airplane. Super cool. I'm about to go to bed, so catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna get my breakfast.
Okay guys, so we have arrived and we are right now, where are you right now, Heidi?
We are right now in the airport.
in Dubai's airport, right? Yeah, the flight was very comfortable. The food was really delicious. And now we are at the airport. Okay, let's go down. Thank you, Heidi, for waiting on mommy. Go, 3, 2, 1, go. You got it. Good girl. Did you like the food at the airplane?
Yeah.
And all the snacks? Yeah, that's awesome. Here we go. And
I got this like plate with bread. And I got like
right. Where's my family? Where's everyone? Oh yeah, here is Zidane. Oh yeah, they're here. Here is Zidane. So we're gonna show you around the airport a little bit, and then yeah.